Good morning everyone, how are you? Welcome back to another video. So today it's just a general test day down at Ruapuna. As you may know, my car is not exactly in testing condition, but I still want to drive. So taking the Soarer out for a bit of a drive, gonna do a couple of pairs of tyres, 1JZ GTE Auto Soarer, fairly basic bit of kit, but drifting is drifting, so let's go do it. There's also a few lads who are attempting like a drift week, nothing like officially organised, but they're drifting in the weekend in Kaikoura, then they're doing a test day today at Ruapuna, and then a test day I believe at Levels or something on Friday or something like that. So yeah, there'll be a few lads doing that, so hopefully a bit of banter, maybe jump in a few random cars and go for a bit of home with someone else. Who knows where this day will lead. It's not actually a full day planned for me, to be honest. I do want to be doing some work as well today, so getting up early, just going to try and go out there, so smash a few laps in the Soarer, catch up with a few lads that I haven't seen for a bit, and go have some fun. Well, it has been probably close to 2 hours since I spoke to you last. Still haven't drifted. I've been driving around trying to find a bloody fuse and then couldn't get the car started. So the car's running now, leaving it running. Gonna go sign in and finally go do some skids. Alright, about to go out for first runs in the Soarer. I was just checking which way to enter. Back of it. Well, probably. Auto. Yeah. I can't clutch kick out of it. First lap done, not bad. Handbrake actually works, not bad. done my first laps. Yeah, it goes goes as I remember. Pretty simple, point and shoot, slam down the throttle, turn the wheel, and it does its thing. Handbrake works okay enough to get me around that long double apex corner. I mean, a clutch kick would be nice, so I could do it more fluidly, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. If I didn't break my car, maybe I could drive that. But yeah, no, goes all good. I wouldn't say it's exciting. It's very, very couchy, very, very flowy track, in a very just, I don't know, car that just does what it does. But yeah, I mean, I sound like I'm complaining about drifting. I'm not. I'm enjoying myself alright. It's fun. But I might see if I can jump in Cody's BMW for a ride. He's trying to convince me to go in there because he goes on telling me to go V8. I've been putting off going in his car because I don't want to go V8, and I won't. Don't worry. There's no risk of that. But I'm still going to go for a ride in his car. Finally, time to experience some LS Turbo goodness.
I touch you.
What?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Back into the dizziness, back out.
So Cody's going to put some fuel in it, and hopefully it'll go good. It already did go pretty good apart from a couple of cuts. It is quite sick. Yeah. I'm allowed to admit I like it without buying one. So, something about LS Turbo reliable way of the future. Nothing but cuts, mate.
Is it running?
Nothing but cuts.
Is it running?
Mine's not hitting any boost cuts because it's at home. Well, this is dangerous when you got one pair of tyres left and the mobile tyre van turns up. So, ooh, maybe I'll turn that one pair into 3 pairs. be a long trip back to the pits. But it was worth it. I wanted to get my money worth. Look at the bloody wheel. Well, we are done. Can't help but love this little nugget. Like, it's knocking, it's got shit suspension, it's too low, it's got crap wheel alignment, as in like non-existent, way too much negative camber in the rear, the front's all up the fuck, but it still drives, and it still drives so effortlessly. It's just, it's actually a good car. I'll admit it, it's a good car. It goes alright. So that was a good fun day out. Get my drift fixed for a little bit and should go home and work on my actual cars. Alright, cheers for watching guys, I'll catch you in the next one.